TakeOff's mother, Titania Davenport, has filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the owners of 810 Billiards and Bowling in Houston, Texas. This is where the To the Bone singer was shot dead in November 2022. TakeOff's mother cites negligence on the part of the venue. The complaint was filed on June 7, 2023 in a Harris County District Court against Multiple LLC, the property owners, and 810 Billiards and Bowling. Titania Davenport in lawsuit alleges that the venue did not provide adequate security where TakeOff was shot. She is seeking $1 million in damages over her son's death.